Let's talk about Saggitaria. So over here I have both the normal large, long leaf one and the dwarf one. Sagittaria is one of the only as well as the easiest. I forgot to plant these two. Anyhow, this is one of the easiest carpeting low-tech plants you could say. It's similar to Vallisneria in its overall leaf shape as well as its pattern of propagating. I mean, it sends out runners, as you can see over here, like from one plant it would offshoot into, can you see that? Yeah. So you would see a plant would basically continue to spread like this, and this is how it will carpet throughout the surface of the tank. Anyhow, so this is basically a carpeting plant. It propagates via runners. It's very easy, very hardy. It grows very quickly and spreads out very quickly as well. So if you are trying to go for somewhat of a tidyish look, you would probably want to focus on some other perhaps slow growing or uh, other species of carpeting plants like pearlweed perhaps, which is a stem plant, so you can comparatively control its access. This plant, however, this will spread throughout your tank. It will cover all the areas, so you have to keep that in mind when you are when you plant it initially. Anyhow, so the dwarf one is a bit smaller and this one is a bit taller, but they're uh, all of their traits are the same. Their way of propagating, their means of propagating, leaf shape is similar as well, and growth rate, all of those things are similar. Both of these plants are low tech. They don't need any specialized lights, or they don't need CO2. They don't need any excess nutrients. I mean, they would probably grow better if you dose all of those things, but they would do absolutely fine even without them. Aside from that, they prefer warmer waters. They won't die off in colder ones, but they do prefer like normal to warmer temperatures for optimal growth because they are a bit tropical in nature. So these plants like warmer waters. This is also like the easiest carpeting plant in a low tech setup. I mean, you can plant it in sand and leave lots of fish, and those fish would provide nutrients for it if you don't want to go for the dirted tank or you don't have the budget for aqua soil. Yeah, in low tech setups, in budget setups, this is the best carpeting plant there is. So I would definitely recommend it to all the beginners who are trying out different plants and wanting to propagate them. This should definitely be on your bucket list.